3 months ago I bought a drone, and since then I've learned quite a bit about flying. So this week I want to try something different and learn how to land a drone in my hand. So I'll be learning how to land a drone in my hand down at my local park, but first up I need to get there. And I tell you, it's about 3 degrees outside, so if I look cold, it's because it is. So far everything was going well and I was going to do my first attempt tomorrow, but I had one small problem.
We have a positive case of COVID-19 in the community.
Well, 3 new cases in Wellington today takes the total there.
The latest cases are causing concerns and uncertainty in our biggest city.
Tēnā tātou katoa, good afternoon. We're breaking into normal programming to bring you...
As it is, we are one of the last countries in the world to have the Delta variant in our community. With Delta raging around the world, it was experts' view that it was not a matter of if, but when.
I understand this isn't as big as overseas, but in New Zealand we have restrictions that mean I can't fly my drone down at the park, so I'll be doing it in my back garden instead. After the changes from the previous day, I was ready to start my first few attempts and see how good I was. It turned out not that good at all. I found out that physically it wasn't very hard, but mentally it was pretty hard. For some reason there was this one part of me that didn't want to stick my hand underneath those sharp spinning blades. After day 1, I was full of hope and looking forward to the next day. Now on day 2, I managed to successfully land the drone in my hand. I was really happy with this, but still a bit hesitant, so I wanted to spend one more day. On day 3, I wanted to try something different, so what it is, I've made myself a course in my back garden to travel around, and I was going to finish by landing it on my hand. So, here it is. You good to go, I think? Yeah! That is good. Even though I had my ups and downs and I wasn't very successful at the start, I soon managed to achieve my goal, which I am extremely pleased to have done. So, I want to say thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.